Ari Atoll is the largest atoll in the Maldives by land area and one of the most significant by almost every other measure. The concentration of resort properties, the quality and variety of dive sites, and the particular piece of marine biology that has made it known to divers worldwide. The whale shark is the largest fish on Earth, growing to 12 meters or more, filter feeding on plankton through a mouth wide enough to stand inside. Ari Atoll aggregates them in a way that is not fully understood, but appears connected to the plankton blooms generated by the atoll's channel systems. The encounters are not guaranteed, but they are more reliable here than almost anywhere else on Earth, across more months of the year. The atoll divides administratively into North Ari and South Ari, and the distinction matters practically. North Ari is closer to the airport. Seaplane transfers of 30 to 45 minutes, or speedboat transfers for the nearer islands. South Ari is further, deeper into the Indian Ocean, and the extra distance is reflected in both transfer time and the sense of remoteness that some of the properties there carefully cultivate. Several of the most celebrated resorts in the Maldives are located in South Ari. Constance Mufushi, with its house reef considered among the best in the country, Velasaru-class properties on the western rim, and newer ultra-luxury openings that have pushed the boundaries of what a private island resort can be. The diving of Ari is extensive and varied enough to occupy a dedicated liveaboard for a week without repetition. The Maya is perhaps the most referenced dive site in the Maldives, a circular coral pinnacle rising from 25 meters that hosts white-tip sharks, nurse sharks, Mirai eels, and schools of fusiliers in numbers that make the water dense with life. The Thillas, underwater pinnacles, scattered through the atoll, are a distinctive feature of Ari diving, structures that rise from deep water and concentrate everything the ocean offers. The hammerhead aggregations in certain channels, particularly during the southwest monsoon months, draw divers specifically for the experience of watching these ancient, improbable animals school together in the blue. Outside the water, Ari offers the full range of resort infrastructure. The island of Razdu, an inhabited community on the atoll's northern edge, serves as a practical hub for independent travelers who want access to Ari's reefs without resort prices. It is a quiet island, a few thousand people, a handful of guest houses, a dive school that has been operating long enough to know every site in the area well. The hammerhead diving off Razdu's outer wall before sunrise when the visibility is clear and the sharks are still present in the dawn current is one of those experiences that people describe years later. Ari Atoll does not ask to be admired from a distance. It asks to be entered. The water, the reef, the particular silence of being 40 feet down while something 12 meters long passes overhead in the blue.